No kidding. I wondered. I don't know what we're doing this morning, but we got a crappie there, and if I'm finding crappie on a tough bass day, I might be switching gears. Let him go and see if there's more down there. Found a little tuft of grass here off of a beaver den, so we got wood and grass. I'm just throwing out here with that 1/32 ounce jig head, dropping it 10 feet, and then just slow rolling it back to me like usual. And we're picking up crappie and snags. There we go, guys. Crappie number 2 right there. Off that brush pile. We'll face this way though. Gosh, they're built so nice out here. They're just so difficult to catch. I've said this a million times, but I think we're just gonna panfish this lake, guys. If Beta Hayden's gonna give up some crappie, I'm here for it. Long story short, I caught that second crappie and I caught a lot of bluegill off that weed patch and brush, and that was that. Nothing insane, just, you know, just allowed the lake to give up more of its secrets is really what the end of the day was. I went around and scanned more with my down and side imaging just to build a profile of that lake. Get out there and just explore, guys. You know, sometimes it just pays off to explore too. You know, it doesn't always have to be fishing. I would have preferred to have caught more, but sometimes you just take what you're given, and you know, it's always a blessing being out on the water. So like and subscribe if you dig the content. Short episode, but we'll get them next time.